Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix the missing Hibernate option on Windows 10 and Windows 11 with a few easy steps. First, click on the Start menu, type Command Prompt, then right-click it and run as administrator. In the command window, type powercfg/hibernate on and press Enter to enable hibernation on your system. Once done, close the command prompt and open Control Panel. Go to Hardware and Sound, then Power Options, and click on Choose what the power buttons do. Next, select Change settings that are currently unavailable to unlock more options. Scroll down to Shutdown settings, and you should now see the Hibernate option available. Simply check the box and click Save Changes. If it still doesn't appear, make sure your system supports hibernation and that fast startup settings are not conflicting. After this, the Hibernate option should be visible in your power menu. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.